For the most trading history, the question wasn't can you trade? It was, do you have enough capital to trade? If you wanted to trade something really meaningful, you had to spend years of savings and tens of thousands of dollars. Now that's changed. In this video, I want to walk you through exactly how prop trading changed the industry and why it's the biggest structural shift in retail trading over the last decade, and what it actually means for traders starting out today. Now let's get into it. Let's start with discussion how it used to work. Before prop trading, if you wanted to trade, you just need more capital. Not $100, but more, way more. Enough to go through drawdowns, cover margin, and survive losing streaks. Realistically, $5,000 minimum to trade something serious, and $50,000 plus if you want to build a real income. And here is the most brutal part. You had to trade your own money. Every loss came directly out of your pocket. The capital barrier wasn't just the financial problem. It was a psychological one. The pressure from trading your own money is completely different from trading somebody else's, or in other words, the capital that isn't yours. This pressure was exactly the reason why most of retail traders lost their savings. So previously, the model was save up, fund yourself, risk your own money, and hope that the market doesn't teach you an expensive lesson too early. For most people, they just couldn't make their trading approach work. And for those who could, the stakes were too personal. And this is where we have the prop trading revolution. Prop trading existed long before retail traders got access to it. Investment banks and hedge funds have always used proprietary trading desks. Internal traders using the firm's capital, generating returns to the firm, and earning the cut of profits. So the insight was, what if you open the same model for everyone on the planet who has the skill to pass an evaluation? That's the prop trading industry that exists today. You prove your skills through a structured prop trading challenge, you meet specific performance requirements, and if you pass, you get an access to a funded account with the firm's capital. Very important that your money isn't on the line during trading. You're trading the firm's capital. But here is what makes it genuinely revolutionary, the entry point. You don't need $5,000 in savings to participate. You don't need to risk everything you have. You can start from a very little investment in your challenge fee. Right now, we have a limited promotion at the Trading Pit, so the entry barrier is even lower. Check out the description because it's a limited time offer, and if it's valid, it's your chance to start the prop trading today. Now let's talk about what prop trading challenge actually is. Many traders think that it's just the test, but in reality, it's more than that. A prop trading challenge is the best structured trading environment most traders will ever experience. And here is why. First of all, rules. Every challenge has defined rules. Maximum daily loss, overall drawdown limit, profit targets, consistency requirements, minimal trading days. The magic about these rules is that they mirror how professional institutional traders operate. And these rules guide you to trade with discipline. We've also covered the topic of rules in this video pop-up that you have right now. Watch it after you finish the current video. The structure of a prop trading challenge is the most valuable training tool you can have in the industry. Second is accountability. When there is a framework with real consequences, you start to trade differently. You journal more, you start to think about risk management as your first priority, you follow every rule of your trading plan. This builds a healthy habit in you, and the shift in mindset worth more than any challenge fee. Third is the multi-asset access. The Trading Pit is a leading prop firm with the multi-asset offering, and as of April 2026, we have already paid out more than $15 million in total rewards to our traders. And all of them trade completely different markets and assets with us. That's not by accident. That's because those traders found their edge using the firm's guidelines, rules, platforms, and resources to grow in their trading careers. And let's cover the topic why now is the best time to start. The prop trading industry has matured significantly. 2024 was a reckoning year. Firms that were overpromising, cutting corners, or operate without the proper backend infrastructure closed. The market self-corrected. What's left on the market are firms that can sustain long-term trader relationships. Firms built on proper backend structure, regulated entities, and transparent rules. This consolidation really matters because the firms operating till today have survived because of their backend structure and regulations. At the same time, the entry barrier has never been lower, and the community element has changed everything. The traders who perform in prop environments aren't isolated. They're usually the part of communities. communities. Discord servers, by the way, we also have a Discord server at the Trading Pit. You can find the link in the description. Acting groups with people sharing their experience, accountability, and learnings. Now let's talk about what it really takes for you to succeed. Let's be real here. Prop trading is skill-based. Passing a challenge requires a real trading ability. But here is what also true. The attempt itself is valuable. Every challenge, whether you pass it or not, gives you data. Where did your drawdown spike? What sessions did you overtrade? Did you trail stops too early? Did you revenge trade after a loss? The challenge is the mirror that shows you exactly where you break down. And genuinely, it's one of the most cost-effective tools to develop yourself in a trading career. The market rewards preparation, discipline, and long-term vision. Prop trading didn't change that. It just lowered the cost of entry with the structure that helps you develop those skills. So now we know that the old question in trading was, do you have enough capital to get started? And now prop trading answered this question. You need a skill and willingness to progress, to be evaluated and grow from it. The capital, this part is solved. Check out the limited promotion from the Trading Pit if it's still valid. Right now, this is the most practical, low-risk, first step into a structural trading environment with access to serious capital on the other side of it. Happy trading to all of you.